Hey everyone, it's Austin from Small Batch Devs. Just wanted to give a little channel update. I know we don't really do videos like this ever, but I thought it was appropriate for today because we haven't put a video up in a couple or few weeks, and it might be a week or two more until we put another new video up. So really, the main reason is it's my fault. My wife and I bought a new house, so we've been super busy with that, packing up our old apartment and getting ready and to move into this new house that we just built, which is it's going to be really great because we previously have only been recording in Elliot's little office, or not little office, but his office in general. And we couldn't really record in my apartment. It was kind of small, just not really suitable for recording videos, and I couldn't really design it the way I wanted to. But now I have an office in this new house, so it'll be an office and recording studio. There's a bunch of cardboard on the ground that I keep stepping on. Hopefully that's not too loud in the video. So yeah, we'll hopefully be able to get to the point where we're creating even more content than we were before this entire move and everything. Painting my office black, as you can see. Tested out a few different blacks. Might look weird on the camera, but this one's more of a matte black, so I think I'm gonna go with that one. Yeah, and we have a bunch of really exciting stuff planned, including more AWS content, which kind of started, but then this whole happened, the house thing happened, so we haven't been able to create more AWS stuff, but we will. We have a bunch of stuff planned for that. As well as Google had their Google I/O webinar and talked about a few upcoming Firebase updates. So we'll probably jump into some of that content. We have a few like fun app ideas that we want to build to teach different concepts. So we might do like some sort of like dev vlog type video for that. And if anyone else has any great ideas or things they want to see on the channel, we're always down to, take in ideas and see what we can do with them. We obviously want to make it kind of entertaining as well as teach a few things. But sometimes more entertaining stuff attracts, and we're down to do that. We also kind of just want to get into devlog type stuff eventually, or at least do that along with tutorials. We think it would be fun to try out, so we might do some of that. Who knows? And whiskey stuff. We said we were going to do whiskey stuff on this channel. We never did, so maybe we'll do that eventually too, since we'll have a couple different studios to record from. We actually live a lot closer now than we did before, which is a big thing because I was like driving 20 to 30 minutes to his house depending on traffic, which was just like, it wasn't that much of an issue, but it was just like another thing that's like, do I really want to drive 40 minutes total there and back? It was just kind of a burden. But now we live about 5 minutes away, so it will be a lot easier to record together. And maybe now that I have my own studio, we'll make our own separate videos on this channel. We'll see. We have a bunch of ideas. But yeah, it's enough of me rambling. I think I might just throw in some video of me painting. I've always liked watching videos of people just like having some relaxing music and doing something mindless in like a vlog style. So I might do some of that. We'll see. But yeah, I appreciate everyone watching. Elliot appreciates everyone as well who watches and subscribes and comments good ideas and questions and whatnot. So keep doing that. We'd appreciate it. And we'll talk very soon. See you guys. I'm back again, and as you can see, I did finish up painting the office. It has been a couple weeks since the first part of this video. Got my desk in here now. Got a nice little table over here and my whiskey over there. Still a few things left to be done in my office here. Gonna get some shelves and some art and stuff for the walls because it does look a little bland. And I just wanted to make an update since it has been a couple weeks since I recorded the first part of this video. Obviously we haven't posted in probably a little over a month now, maybe even more. Can't remember. It's been a crazy period, moving, unboxing everything, painting, having people over to see the new house, all that stuff, and just kind of trying to find some time for ourselves, my wife and I. It's been a busy period, and I think Elliot's been busy with stuff as well. But just want to make an update saying we are still here. We are still planning on making some new videos very soon, probably this week or early next week. Probably some AWS content, building and deploying websites to AWS, so keep a lookout for that. So yeah, just wanted to thank everyone again for sticking around, watching the videos, commenting, and feel free to comment on this video if you have any ideas for content you'd like to see, whether it be development tutorials or something else with the development. I mean, AWS is very big and there's a lot of different topics to cover in AWS that we plan to cover in AWS, or in our videos, rather. But if there's anything specific that someone would like to hear about, I think we're planning on starting with CDK and CloudFormation, just building and deploying a website, a simple website to AWS using the CDK. I think that's kind of our first video, or first few videos that we're going to be creating. But yeah, thanks again. Elliot and I really appreciate it, and we'll see everyone very soon. See ya.